If you've been looking for a fully furnished, move-in ready homes in one of the premier lake communities in the Pocono Mountains, you've just found it. We have a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. Yeah. So here we are at 128 Winding Hill Road, Woodland Hideaway, in Pocono Pines, PA, Lake Naomi. That goes right into the garage. Access to the back of the house. This is right here. New front steps that were newly installed. Little hangout area here up front as well. Let's go inside. Okay, now we're inside. What I really love about this space is how open it feels. You have your wood burning fire stove here. Great space to hang out, to relax. Again, this does come fully furnished. Opens right up into the kitchen. A lot of cabinet space, stainless steel appliances. Garage access is right here. Opens up into your dining room. You have a linen closet. You have a coat closet right here off the front door. And on this level, we have 1 full bathroom and 3 bedrooms. Full bathroom, a lot of storage, granite countertops, heated floors. Walk-in shower. Then we have bedroom 1, which is the Moose Lodge. Big bedroom, big bed. Here we have a closet. We have hardwood floors throughout the entire first floor as well. Bedroom number 2 is the Bear Cave. Another great sized bedroom, big bed. And lastly, we have the Fox Den. Fox Den has 2 beds in this, 2 full-size beds, and a half bathroom. And then a closet. All right, now let's head downstairs. There aren't many homes in the Poconos with a finished basement, but this one has it. So we have a whole nother separate living area down here. You have your game area, you have a bar, darts, closet space here, closet space there. Look at that. Ooh. Over to the left here, we have another full bathroom, recently renovated. Great finishes. Tub, shower. To the left, we have separate kitchen area with a washer and dryer. Another refrigerator. more cabinet space. Put a microwave down here if you need to. Great hangout room. Lots of space. Again, everything fully furnished. And then we have bedroom number 4, the owl's nest. You got a full and a twin bunk. Luxury vinyl plank floorings all throughout. Now let's go check outside. Another great feature to this house is this beautiful backyard and back deck. As you can see, there's a ton of space, very expansive. You have Blackstone. A lot of places to sit, to hang out, taking everything that Poconos has to offer, all 4 seasons. And then this awesome fire pit area too. Beautiful fire pit. If you have any questions about this property and would like to check it out in person, just shoot me a text to 267-808-0574.